Peel, could you peel these potatoes for me? Break. I have broken an egg. Mash. I have been mashing potatoes for 10 minutes. Quiz time question 1. Which method is called mash? Mix. Oil and water never mix. Grill. We decided to grill some steaks for dinner. Pour. She poured coffee into the cup. Quiz time question 2. Which method is called pour? Steam. Be careful, your hand can get burned from steam. Taste. Can you taste it? How does the soup taste? Bake. The cake is baking in the oven. Quiz time question 3. Which method is called steam? Roast? I roasted some chicken. Boil. The water is boiled. Stir. Could you stir the soup? Quiz time question 4. Which method is called stir? Squeeze. I squeezed the lemon. Drain. I drained the pasta before adding the sauce. Slice. The tomatoes are sliced. Quiz time question 5. Which method is called drain? Chop. The carrot is chopped by the man. Cut. Can you cut the carrot? Grate. Could you grate some cheese for the pasta? Quiz time question 6. Which method is called chop? Whisk. Whisk the eggs until they become fluffy. Flatten. Flatten the dough. Sprinkle. Sprinkle some salt on the salad. Quiz time. Question 7. Which method is called whisk? Knead the dough. Add. I add spices to the meal. Fry. I might fry potatoes for tonight. Quiz time question 8. Which method is called knead? Blend. I make a blend of fruit every morning. Sift. The flour is sifted. Crush. The garlic is crushed. Quiz time question 9. Which method is called sift? Serve. I serve dinner at 8 p.m. Season. When I make a salad, I always add seasoning to it. Spread. I love to eat spread on the bread with jam. Quiz time question 10. Which method is called spread? Dip. I like to eat chips with dip. Wait, the apple weighs 200 grams. Stir fry. I will stir fry some vegetables. Quiz time question 11. Which method is called dip? Melt. My chocolate is melted by the heat. Drizzle. Could you drizzle some chocolate on my ice cream? Layer. Could you layer the cheese on the burger? Quiz time question 12. Which method is called melt? Garnish. I love your dish with garnish. Poach. I love poached egg on the bread. Recipe. I don't have any recipes for my meals. Quiz time question 13. Which method is called poach? Taste vocabulary. Sweet. The cookie is sweet. Salty. The pretzel is salty. Sour. This lemon is very sour. Bitter. The pickle tastes a bit bitter. Spicy hot. This chili pepper is really spicy and hot. Crispy. I love crispy chicken. Quiz time question 14. Which method is called sour? Juicy. This watermelon is so juicy. Zesty. The dish has a zesty flavor because of the spices. Tangy. The lime is so tangy. Creamy. This cheesecake is so creamy. Savory. I prefer savory snacks. Quiz time, question 15. Which method is called creamy? Steak levels. Rare. I don't prefer rare steak. Medium rare. I sometimes prefer my steak medium rare. Well done. I always prefer my steak well done.